guys, and welcome. Today I'm just going to try and get a few things done. I'm just trying to get everything organized before I go back to work and go back to start uni, and Talia goes back to school. So that is the deal. That is what we're doing today. We're just going to get some things organized and get some things done. And I am going to literally spend an hour walking around Bunnings because I can, by myself, and just enjoy it. Just picking out a few things for the side area of the house because I have been working on my little project, so I need to go and get some sealer for the area today. And I just thought I'd check out some plants and maybe what divider I'm going to put up, a little bit of furniture, just really trying to suss it out, what I'm going to do there and go from there. So I'll give you a bit of a sneak peek when I get home, but yeah, that is what we're up to today. Who else feels like this joint is their second home sometimes? I think I even go here more than the supermarket, sadly. I'm so sad I can't buy this. How cheap is that? They were 150 bucks. Oh, I just want a cozy chair. This is so pretty. I think I want one. I wish I could use it as a side table though, because I'm only going to use it as a stool. There's no bloody room. I think I'm going to have to go something like that. It's going to make me cry. I wish these were bigger. 47 centimeters. Make my own tabletop. So cool. These would be so cute for a little potting station. This is one of the options. Some more options. That's kind of cool with the circles. These are a good idea. It's like a little wheelie bin almost thing, but you can put all your garden tools in it and carry it around. It's a good idea. I might have to get one day. Actually only $27. It's pretty good. I don't know what I feel about fake ones. That's a good idea. You don't have to bend down. They're weed pullers. Interesting. Not cheap though. Oh, look at the pretty colour. I don't need it. I don't need it. Okay, I'm back home and I'm feeling fresh and light, and I'm just loving this new morning routine thing that I've got going. I can't wait to share with you the video. Like, it's really quite productive, and I feel like I'm just ticking off so many things of that to-do list in the morning. So when I do perfect that a little bit more, I'll do a whole video on it and share with you what I'm up to. And then we'll get stuck into all the other stuff that I want to organize and declutter and do today. I don't usually do this, but this is a sneak peek of my project. Oh my gosh, you should see the grouted bits. Amazing. So I was thinking that when I've finished doing the flooring area here, I'm actually just going to publish the video and do like a part 1 of the patio makeover, because the video is probably going to go for 20 minutes as it is, just with flooring on it. It is like a sort of like a how-to video, so I'm going to be sharing with you how I've actually done it, and then maybe later on I might do a full video of the makeover from start to finish, but I won't do any how-to bits in it. It'll just be literally just me smashing it out and getting it done. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think, or I could just wait and just do one big half-an-hour video and it'll be a how-to and everything all in one. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think, but yeah, I am so happy with this. I just think it looks amazing, and yeah, I can't wait to share it with you. Okay, so this is one of the things on my to-do list, and that is, I have a pair of pants in here that need to be cut. Sounds weird. I'm going to make them into shorts. They were from Forever New, and I'm sure that most of you, if you know Forever New, you'll know that it is really expensive. I'm pretty sure it's these. Yep. These are my absolute favorite, like, work pants, and they don't even sell them as shorts, but I'm going to make these into like a half-length shorts. But this is what happened to my pants. Like, it's got a big hole in it, so often I'll just roll these up at work and no one will really notice until they bend over, because they're rolled over like quite a bit. But yeah, I need to really cut them and stitch them back up. So that's my first job, I think, of the day. So I'm all ready for when I go back to work in a couple of days. It's never long enough, is it? Okay, it's happening. I'm gonna cut this. I'm probably gonna totally ruin it, okay? Anyway, let's see how we go. Now, just so you know, I'm not the jack of all trades, and I have a confession to make. The reason why you barely ever see me sew is because I kind of sew stuff to the sewing machine. I don't know how I manage it, but I do. So if you know what I'm doing wrong, let me know in the comments below, because I'd actually love to do more sewing, but yeah, it literally sews it to the machine and then I have to cut it off and it's a huge ordeal. So anyway, cross fingers I have better luck with this. See, told you I can't sew. What the hell happened? That is a lot of cotton and a lot of bits that have just broken that are doing nothing. Frustrating. Okay, I'm feeling totally brave. I'm gonna do this school dress. Be done as well. I'm far too lazy to do so. Guys, look, I am totally proud. I didn't sew it to the machine and it didn't do that weird thing that it did before, and the foot didn't fall off, which sometimes it falls off when I sew. Yep, I told you I'm so bad at I can do power tools better than I can do sewing machines. Next of all is another back to school thing, and it is these name label stick-on things. I think they were $4 if I remember rightly, from Aldi. I've never used them before. They are freezer safe, dishwasher safe, waterproof, and microwave safe. But yeah, you literally just write them on with a pen. So I'm gonna do them on here. I was told by my daughter not to go out into the kitchen because she's just told me specifically not to go out there, which means that she's made a great big mess. So all I said to her was, that's okay, you can clean up your mess, and I'll come back in later, but grab me these. So she grabbed me what I needed. I had them all in the pile ready to go. So yeah, the other thing that I needed to do was her sunscreen as well. So I'm gonna get started on that, and then we can move on to the next zone of things we need to organize and declutter and get ready. This is them, and I'll be really honest, it's not very neat. Like, I don't consider myself too bad of a writer, but you can see like the A on there looks really bad. I don't know, I just much prefer ones that are already printed. It just looks much neater. But anyway, this is what you get when you don't order things in advance. You just grab what your first thing you can get from the supermarket. I just love this little pegboard because it is so good for anything. As you can see, I did have the birthday up in here. So this here is going to be for a first day of school photo. I'm in grade 1 already. I was looking for a meme off Pinterest And this is the closest thing I could come up with. So I'll get her to do a crazy face like that. It's back to school already, so I'll just have that. Oh, I might even put a question mark and a exclamation like they've done there because it looks pretty cool. But okay, excuse my filthy bathroom. I'm still gonna do this because I'm just needing it done, and I'll share with you the before. I've got an idea in my head of what I want to do, so I'm going to completely change it up, and hopefully this is just going to work for us in this season of life that we're in and with everything that's going on in my vanity right now. So you can tell it's been a long time and a lot of things have accumulated, and this looks like absolute rubbish. There is a storage solution and thing in there, but we've accumulated a lot and we need to declutter a lot as well. So the top one is actually, it's pretty fine. Like, it's got this makeup bag and this makeup bag. This one here, you can see it's overflowing. That's all things skin, and the face washes in the back. Up here is all my dental stuff, and you can see there's a face scrub here. That shouldn't be here because it's all things skin. So that, again, like, it's just overflowing. And then in the back here, you can see that it's all even gone into the back here. In here, I have, this is my sanitary products. I do have a menstrual cup, which is in my bag. I don't normally use any of these things. I didn't even know I had them. And then in the back here, there's just nail polishes as well. Again, I don't wear nail polishes. It's all stuff that Talia wears. So I don't know whether I just put that in her room somewhere. This here was a little area for me to put in like all my bathroom cleaning products. And then it just sort of didn't end up being that way because a lot of the time I just carry a caddy around and I'll do it. And then in the top here, oh, I've got spare wash, which is good because I had that on my shopping list. So I crossed that off and filled them. I bought some eyelash stuff, but I never ended up using it. I needed Vaseline and then I didn't end up doing it, so I might do that at some stage. And this is just all those backup items as well. And I don't even use the hair straightener or the hair curler, but Talia often asks for a hair straightened as well. So you can see what I mean, like, it is an absolute cluttered mess. This is everything that I have decluttered because I get laser. I don't need any hair removal stuff, just the shaver. Some of these were like dried out, just old packaging, makeup, things like that that's expired, all that sort of stuff gone. These ones that don't work, gone. So happy with that. Actually got a fair bit out. I made the All Things Skin basket one big basket because this one here, it was just stacked on top of each other. It's much easier for me to get to it. So this is my dental basket, and again I made it a bit bigger, and then I made the one at the back here. This is just for my shaver and my laser aid. So I was able to reduce that and make this one bigger. Here will be my face washes, so that needs to be washed out. But the hair straightener I've just shoved in the back. And then the bottom one here, I've just put in some extra products that were taking up space, but I was originally going to make a like use first basket, but instead I've just taken out the extra products and popped them in here instead. And then that way I know that I'm not using up, like opening 2 lots of skincare things, for instance, or 2 lots of makeup. It just makes sense. So I've done that. Sanitary products in there. I just went to got my marina, so I probably might need these. And then in the back here is just the nail polishes. I've just put my nail polishes in there, even though I don't really use it. Like I'd probably give them to tails. But anyway, I've got them in there for now. This is the last drawer here. This is the hair drawer. Oh, it's amazing what a difference it is. I've taken all of Talia's stuff out, except for her ballet stuff and this hair lice stuff. So if there's an outbreak at school, I will use this again. And then I've just got like the hair gel there. This is all just for ballet, her hair nets, her hairpins, the clear elastics. And then I've just got some scrunchies for myself. I've been loving the big one, so I've just got a couple of those, a couple of clips, and then yeah, comb and brush, and that's it. This one here is 2 makeup bags. So I've got my one that I use every day. I've also got my face oil that I put under my makeup, even though it was in All Things Skin. I couldn't find it, so I've just been randomly just picking this QV up and using it, but yeah, it was all buried in there, so I put it back in here. Now I know where it is. And then this is like a spare one that I can take. I could probably just leave this, like I don't really need it, but it's just like a spare one with extra bits of makeup. So I'll probably use that up first, and then I can start digging into that. So sort of similar thing that I've done with this. So we're looking heaps better. I'm so happy with the progress today. And yeah, so happy with all that I'm able to get rid of. So my little one's just come in and requested that we play hairdressers. So I reckon this video is going to go on forever, so I might just leave it at this. Now, just seeing what you guys want, because obviously I am going back to uni. I actually start next week, so they'll probably see a couple of more videos, and then I'll be uploading when I upload. So if things are going to be a bit all over the place, that's why. Or if my videos are a bit all over the place, it would be because I'll be recording a bit each day, sort of thing, just to get it something, like just to get it out there when I can get those sort of home improvement things done. But yeah, just let me know what you guys want to see on my channel as well, because yeah, I'd love to know what you guys want to see. I'd really like your feedback. Anyway, I'll catch up with you next week with a new video, and I'll see you then. Bye.